Can you imagine driving without worrying about receiving speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you the concealed radar laser system we completed on this Aston Martin Vantage with Escort's Max CI 360 radar paired with AL priority laser jammers. The front of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining the speed from ahead. We fabricated housings that are outlined in green for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend into the bumper without any modifications. Preliminary testing with multiple laser guns allows us to determine the best combination of laser jammers and placement. After extensive testing, our setup for the front and rear of the Aston Martin Vantage will jam all laser guns used by law enforcement. The front radar antenna that is outlined is mounted behind the bumper to a fabricated bracket and provides you with alerts when there are radar threats ahead. The rear of the vehicle has 4 laser jammers hidden behind housings that are outlined. The fabricated housings eliminate the need of modifying the bumper when routing the wires and aesthetically blends the jammers into the bumper. This combination provides optimal placement for the jammers to prevent a law enforcement laser gun from obtaining your speed from the rear. The rear radar antenna outlined is concealed behind the bumper to a bracket and will alert you of threats from behind. The Escort display, controller, and AL priority LED were molded into a fabricated part that mounts into the center console. There were no permanent modifications made, and it can be returned back to stock if removed. The main components were mounted to a fabricated bracket behind the driver's seat, and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. After every install, the system is tested again with multiple laser guns to verify everything is working properly. You can see in these clips the gun is unable to get a speed until the laser jammers are turned off. With this system, the laser jammers are programmed to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you are alerted and have a chance to slow down before law enforcement can obtain the speed. If you have any questions or want to learn more, please give us a phone call or send an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.